Far out in the vast Atlantic Ocean, about 570 kilometers off the coast of West Africa, lies a special group of islands. This is Cape Verde, an archipelago born from fire and sea. Millions of years ago, powerful volcanoes erupted from the deep ocean floor. Hot lava cooled and hardened, slowly building up until it broke through the water's surface. This process created 10 main islands and several smaller islets. Each island has its own unique shape and character. Some are mountainous and rugged, with tall peaks that touch the clouds. Others are flatter and drier, with wide, sandy beaches that meet the turquoise water. The islands are a testament to the raw power of nature, standing as lonely sentinels in the middle of the great ocean. The islands are divided into two groups. The Barlavento, or Windward Islands, are in the north. These include Santo Antão, São Vicente, Santa Lucia, São Nicolau, Sal, and Boa Vista. They face the strong trade winds that blow from the northeast. The Sotavento, or Leeward Islands, are in the south. These are Maio, Santiago, Fogo, and Brava. They are more sheltered from the wind. The island of Fogo is home to the highest peak, Pico do Fogo, which is an active volcano. It reminds everyone of the fiery origins of this land. The climate is warm and dry for most of the year, with very little rain, making life a constant challenge for those who would later call this place home. Before humans ever set foot here, these islands were a world of their own. They were a quiet sanctuary for plants and animals that had found their way across the ocean. Unique birds nested in the rocky cliffs, and special types of lizards scurried over the volcanic soil. The sea around the islands was full of life, with fish, turtles, and whales swimming in the clear waters. For countless centuries, the only sounds were the crash of the waves against the shore, the cry of seabirds, and the whistle of the wind. This was a pristine, untouched paradise, a blank slate waiting for history to be written upon its shores, a story that would begin with the arrival of ships from a distant land. The geographic location of Cape Verde would become its destiny. Positioned strategically in the Atlantic, it was a perfect stopping point for ships sailing between Europe, Africa, and the Americas. This location would shape its entire history, turning these isolated volcanic rocks into a bustling crossroads of people, cultures, and trade. The very winds and currents that carried birds and seeds to its shores would one day carry sailors and explorers. The story of Cape Verde is not just about the land itself, but about its relationship with the vast ocean that surrounds it and the people who dared to cross it, forever changing the destiny of this empty archipelago. For thousands of years, the Cape Verde Islands were completely empty.